Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you a nice little trick to solve the problem. When you paste an image, it hides behind the text. So this is my image actually. If I just click over here, you can see this box and this is the size of the image. So even if I try to increase the size of the image by dragging this, it is not working. And even if I try to set the image to inline with text, it doesn't work. So what is the problem? Let's start. The problem likely is your paragraph spacing. So what to do? The solution here is click on the image, then go to home and click on this arrow, open more paragraph settings. Then most likely the problem will be a line spacing, which is set to exactly some particular number. Now if you want to keep these settings for the rest of the document, you can go ahead, but to get the image, change it from exactly to any other spacing, like double is 1.5. I'll just go and select 1.5, click OK, and now the image appears. If the first option doesn't work, then double click on the image or click on the image and go to picture format tab. In the text wrap, you can select square, tight, or through any other options to get the image. If the image location is not proper, you can just drag the image to your appropriate location and the image will appear nicely. So that's all in this video. I want to specially thanks to the supporters of this channel for giving us a super thanks. Thank you friends. Because of your motivation, we are able to produce new useful content like this.